Dynamic prompt was a good change. I'll agree 100% with Paul.
Running a fleet isn't just about driving, it's about managing logistics. Meet Aimee, the co-owner of Franklin Family Express LLC, who's streamlining operations with the TCS Fuel Card.
The fuel card's really helpful to me because first thing in the morning when I hit the computer, I look and see where my drivers paid making charges and how it kind of gives me an idea how much progress they're making on their load. So I can tell a little bit about if they're going to be on time for pickup or on time for delivery. When I eventually get that call from the broker asking where my truck is, my business partner is on the road. He's one of our drivers. And so he's able to use his phone to change settings on the app so that he can modify any of the cards in real time. And likewise, I can do that too. And so we can turn it on, we can turn it off, we can change the settings, we can even start up a new card. TCS will give you extra cards. You don't have to tell them who the driver is. You can set it up yourself with the driver information. They send a password to the driver and then they're live again. And so when we have a situation where there's a problem, we can just ship a card to a driver, like their card got stolen or it's not running correctly. We can ship it to them. As soon as they notify me they have it, I can get them to go live just like that. I wouldn't say that it's made it more profitable. I would say that it's made it easier for me in the back office because it has a variety of platforms. I can see it on my phone. I get emails each day talking to me about purchases. Some of my drivers have it so their fuel receipts are sent directly to me. So when I get the papers and the fuel receipt's missing, I don't have to run it down. I can just get a copy out of the email. And then, of course, you can use the website as well. Well, the reality is many of the drivers these days have never used a laptop or a computer. They're not really technology friendly. And so I call customer service a lot. Especially when we have changes. Dynamic prompt was a good change. I'll agree 100% with Paul on what he said about that. But we just have guys that have trouble logging into TCS. I like it that they have to log in all the time, but it also is like, I can't get this to work, or I forgot to use the dynamic prompter. And so the people that I've spoken to have been very, very helpful and very, very accommodating, very understanding when I tell them like, well, he did this or he did that. And they're like, okay, he's going to have to wait for 10 or 15 minutes, but I'm going to get it released here so that once the time is up, he'll be able to go again. And that's what the truck drivers want. They want to go. They don't want to be sitting at the fueling station waiting for the office to do something or waiting for me to get something cleared through TCS. And so I find their call center very accommodating and very helpful, very understanding.
With the TCS Fuel Card, Franklin Family Express LLC has unlocked smoother fleet management and unmatched support. Learn how TCS can help simplify your operations today.